Scapegoating of women is a tale as old as time. Paradoxically, and parallel to the stereotype of docility and submission, women have long been portrayed as corrupting influences on men, in need of taming and restraint, often in the form of violence against them. This narrative of women as blameworthy is intimately entangled with the policing of women's bodies, the patriarchal entitlement to control over female agency. Scapegoating women is so widespread and societally ingrained that it has long been canonized in history, lore, literature, the very stories that tell us how the world came to be and ought to be. In the Bible, Eve committed the act of original sin, eating the forbidden fruit that tasted like the fall of mankind. In Greek mythology, Pandora couldn't help herself and opened a box that unleashed a universe of horrors. In 1998, the President of the United States took advantage of a young intern, and it was Monica Lewinsky whom the world vilified. In 2020, rapper Megan Thee Stallion was shot by her partner, and the internet mocked her. In 2021, 7 women in Atlanta were murdered because the shooter wanted to eliminate his temptations. These immortal sexist tropes perpetually manifest in real-world prejudice and violence. It's about time for some new tales to be told.